For months, astronomers assured us that **3I, Atlas** would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby. A harmless interstellar visitor that would skim past Mars and disappear back into the darkness of space. But the universe rarely does anything without reason. And the James Webb Space Telescope *, humanity's most powerful eye in space, has now delivered data that changes everything. The numbers have shifted. The trajectory has tightened. And for the first time, scientists are quietly considering the possibility no one wanted to say out loud, *3I, Atlas might collide with Mars. But this isn't only about a comet. This is about precision movements, rhythmic gas pulses, and an object that behaves less like a drifting rock and more like something actively navigating. The deeper scientists examine the data, the clearer it becomes. *3I, Atlas is not simply drifting through space. It appears to be adjusting its course. And Mars lies directly ahead. When *3I, Atlas** was first observed, it looked like any other interstellar traveler. A faint, fast-moving blur with a glowing coma racing through the solar system at extraordinary speed. Roughly *87 km per second relative to the Sun. At that velocity, it could cross the entire Earth-Moon distance in under 80 minutes. Yet the real surprise wasn't its speed. It was its behavior. Most comets begin to slow, fragment, or stabilize as they approach the inner solar system. But *3I, ATLAS did the opposite. Its velocity showed subtle but consistent increases, and its trajectory gradually tightened as if it were correcting its path. Meanwhile its coma, the cloud of gas and dust surrounding the nucleus, suddenly doubled in brightness within weeks. Spectral analysis revealed intense ultraviolet emissions and massive bursts of carbon dioxide outgassing at rates never recorded in any known comet. Then the James Webb Space Telescope detected something even stranger. The emissions weren't random. They were rhythmic. Gas jets pulsed at precise intervals, approximately every 17 minutes forming a pattern that looked less like natural venting and more like controlled thrust bursts. Instead of chaotic jets caused by sunlight heating ice, these pulses appeared structured, almost deliberate. Astronomers began to wonder if the object was using its own outgassing like microthrusters subtly steering itself through space. Tracking data from observatories and spacecraft showed that what had originally been considered a safe pass by Mars had gradually shifted. New orbital simulations placed the object within about 1.95 million kilometers of the planet extremely close on astronomical scales. Even a slight additional push, just a few kilometers per second, could redirect the object into a direct collision with Mars. And the alignment of those thrust pulses appeared eerily precise, matching the plane of Mars' orbit. At that point, scientists realized they were no longer just tracking a comet. They were watching something that seemed to be gaming. The possibility of impact raised enormous concerns. If an object roughly estimated at 10 billion tons struck Mars at tens of kilometers per second, the energy release would be enormous, potentially equivalent to millions of megatons of TNT. Such an impact could create a crater tens of kilometers wide, eject debris into Mars' orbit, and possibly send fragments into interplanetary space. Mars is currently home to numerous scientific missions, including the rover Perseverance rover and orbiting spacecraft like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. A massive impact could damage orbiters, disrupt communications, and erase decades of scientific observations about the planet's climate and geology. But some researchers proposed an even more radical idea. Astrophysicist Avi Loeb and other scientists suggested that the unusual behavior of **3I Atlas might indicate something beyond a natural object. Radar observations reportedly returned reflections that seemed unusually strong, sometimes described as more metallic than icy. If true, that would be extremely unusual for a typical comet nucleus. Further observations reportedly detected complex organic molecules and unusual isotopic signatures in the material streaming from the object. Some scientists speculated that if the comet did strike Mars, it might deliver large quantities of organic compounds to the planet's surface. Mars is already considered one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for past or present microbial life. If an object carrying complex molecules collided with the planet, it could create a powerful astrobiological experiment potentially mixing materials from deep beneath Mars' surface with foreign compounds from interstellar space. This idea resembles a concept known as panspermia the hypothesis that life, or the building blocks of life, can spread between planets via asteroids and comets. Still, many astronomers remain cautious. While the observations are intriguing, natural processes can sometimes produce surprisingly structured behavior in comets. Jets of gas may erupt in repeating patterns as sunlight hits rotating vents on the nucleus, and unusual chemical signatures can occur in interstellar objects that formed in distant star systems. In other words, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. For now, astronomers around the world continue to track **3I Atlas** closely. Observatories, spacecraft, and the James Webb Space Telescope are gathering as much data as possible to understand exactly what this mysterious traveler is. Whether it proves to be an unusual comet, a rare interstellar object, or something even stranger, one thing is certain. The story of 3I Atlas is far from finished. And as scientists continue to watch its path across the solar system, a single question remains in the minds of many observers. Is this object simply a wandering visitor from another star system? Or the beginning of a discovery that could change how we understand the universe? Rocket Milky Way. As 3I Atlas continues its passage through the inner solar system, astronomers are analyzing every fragment of data they can obtain. Each new observation raises additional questions about the true nature of this unusual interstellar visitor. One of the most puzzling discoveries came when multiple observatories compared long-term tracking measurements. The object's light curve, the pattern of brightness changes over time, revealed pulses that did not fully match the irregular tumbling normally seen in comets. Instead, the fluctuations appeared organized into layered timing sequences. 7 pulses, a pause. 3 pulses, another pause. Then a longer sequence. When mathematicians mapped the intervals between these pulses, some noticed that the spacing loosely resembled numerical relationships similar to those found in Fibonacci-like progressions, patterns often observed in natural growth processes. While this could still be the result of rotation combined with gas jets erupting from specific vents on the surface, the regularity was unusual enough to attract attention from both astronomers and data scientists. Meanwhile, spectroscopic instruments continued analyzing the cloud of gas and dust surrounding the object. The James Webb Space Telescope and other observatories identified a complex mixture of carbon-based molecules in the expanding trail. Some of these compounds are commonly found in comets, but others appear more complex than what is typically expected from an icy body formed in the outer regions of a planetary system. That discovery alone doesn't imply artificial origin. Interstellar objects may carry chemistry from environments far different from our own solar system, but it does provide a rare opportunity to study materials that formed around another star. Planetary scientists also began examining Mars itself more closely as the object approached. Several orbiters currently circling the planet, including the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, increased monitoring of the Martian atmosphere and magnetic environment.